the serene Loch Laich, with a mist rolling over the water, revealing the isolated and majestic Castle Stalker. In the heart of Argyll, Scotland, where the tides ebb and flow, stands the enigmatic Castle Stalker. The castle perched on its tidal islet, sunlight glistening off its stone walls. Built in the 1440s by the Stuarts of Appin, this medieval tower house has witnessed centuries of history unfold. A scene from the past shows knights in armor arriving at the castle's gate. Castle Stalker has hosted royal visits, witnessed battles, and even changed hands through a drunken wager. An interior shot of the castle's grand hall, with the flickering light of torches casting shadows. Though it fell into disrepair in the 19th century, the mid-20th century saw it lovingly restored to its former glory. Visitors explore the castle on a sunny summer day, guided by a knowledgeable historian. Today, Castle Stalker stands as a testament to Scotland's storied past, welcoming visitors on select guided tours during the summer. The breathtaking landscape surrounding the castle, with the Lynn of Lorn National Scenic Area in the background. Its name, Stalker, derived from the Gaelic Stalker, means hunter or falconer, fitting for its storied past. An owl hoots in the night. Transition to a scene with a moonlit castle, evoking a sense of mystery. Its striking appearance has captivated imaginations far and wide. Loch Henry flash on the screen, showing Castle Stalker as a backdrop. Castle Stalker has made its mark in popular culture, appearing in iconic films and TV shows. An ancient tapestry, depicting a legendary hunt. But beyond the fame lies the heart of its story, a symbol of resilience, history, and the spirit of Scotland. A local historian sharing tales of the castle's past with engaged visitors.
Castle Stalker is not just a building, it's a living monument to our heritage.
This is the painstaking restoration efforts. Every stone, every beam, every corner whispers tales of bygone eras. A scene where modern-day visitors enjoy a picnic by the loch, with Castle Stalker in the background. Today, visitors can immerse themselves in history while enjoying the tranquil beauty of the surroundings. A visitor sketching the castle, capturing its essence on paper. Artists and dreamers find inspiration in its timeless beauty. A family exploring the castle, with children pretending to be knights. For generations, Castle Stalker has sparked imaginations and kindled a sense of wonder. A scene of the castle illuminated at sunset, with golden hues reflecting off the water. As the sun sets over Loch Laich, Castle Stalker stands as a sentinel of the past and a beacon for the future. The castle's entrance, inviting viewers to step back in time. Step through its doors and let history envelop you. Reveal Castle Stalker in its full glory, framed by the stunning landscape. Perched on its tidal islet, Castle Stalker is an enduring symbol of Scotland's rugged charm and rich history. A local celebration, with people in traditional Scottish attire dancing and enjoying themselves. So come, explore, and be a part of its story. Castle Stalker, where legends live on.